people everywhere is busting, busting, busting. People are partying. It's every day we are going to be hearing new stories up and down. Now it is the turn of Jegede. What did Jegede duo actress Jegede Vion Jegede natural substitute at Tony Abraham? Come and see the way she conscious Tony Abraham outside on Instagram page. But anyways, guys, welcome back to our channel. We have you. We know we got you any interesting information. Just we have you. And all you have to do is just subscribe to our channel, and you guys are going to be there. You will be there enjoying our news that we've got for you. So back to the topic of the day. Yes, actress Vion Jegede throws shade at Tony Abraham on social media. And what did she say? She said they will soon turn Nigerian cinema to YouTube. That was what she said. Nollywood actress Vion Jegede has slammed her colleagues in the movie industry over how films are churned into Nigerian cinemas. And this girl is also an actress, but recently she has not been the one trending like Tony Abraham, Mercy Johnson, and a crew like that. So in a post now shared on the microblogging platform, the actress said movie producers are now always in haste to shoot and release films, which may be detrimental to the entertainment industry. Seeing that now they have now been sharing, making different movies up and down. Like today you hear one movie is out, tomorrow you hear another movie is out, next tomorrow you hear another movie is out. Cinema. And this news has been trending about Tony Abraham going around, shooting movies. Yes, he has been on set for a while now. So I guess this is what prompted Jegede Jegede to now come out and post on this on platform that this is out that they have been they want to turn Nigerian cinema to YouTube. And you know that YouTube is every day you get new videos. So there are issues like that, saying things like that, And in a subsequent post, the actress said her latest outburst has been tagged jealousy, but she does not care that people have been saying she's jealous. That the reason why she said all these things is because she's jealous of Tony Abraham, and because she has not been producing movies like Tony Abraham has been doing all this while, and that so she is jealous, and that's the reason why she's blasting Tony Abraham. That's the reason why she's saying all these things. But she said she does not care, she does not mind, that whatever people say, she does not mind. And Vion Jegede tweeted, today they are on set shooting, and next minute they have a cinema date. Next tomorrow the movie don't enter cinema, then go soon turn Nigeria cinema to YouTube. Anything you say they tag you jealous. Faced with tears of joy, there's a way to make people not say the truth about anything. I beg make una shift with una guilty conscience. That was what she said. That was what she posted on her page, and like she was talking. Yes, so this tweet really got a lot of people talking. Yeah, like people like okay, then people guessed who she was talking to, and while some other also shared their opinion about this. Yeah, they went to page and they replied. Yeah, I'm going to read some of the comments for you, so you guys should just stay tuned and just listen. Yes, the replies, like the comments are just so funny and interesting, so you guys should just listen. Yeah, we have 69 community research. Thought I was the only one noticing this. Them they do cost too much. Same group of actors and actresses in different movie titles. Yeah, like you have the same side of it. And then someone replied and said, Kuku mentioned Tony Abraham, as you know that Tony Abraham is the one trending now with different movies that she's producing. But does that mean that releasing all these movies she's going to release them all of a sudden? Well, we don't know. That is a question that we are not yet able to answer. So you guys should just listen on. So they're like, okay, they are do cost too much, So Abraham is always with Mercy Johnson, with Yabo Joe, and other. So it's like people are saying that they have created their own carcass. So they have proper people said she's actually saying the truth. It's not every movie you send to cinemas. We have Malik Jackie who says some Nollywood, Bollywood movies and films take 2 years or more, but Nollywood 1 month or 2 weeks they don't sell. Imagine. We have Pyro Pig who said if you want to talk to Tony Abraham, talk direct. Don't be going through the corners now. Abi, are you afraid? Go straight over the TV. Tony Abraham, you want to talk? Go straight to the point. Talk about our blasters today. This one should be sharing corner. We people in Nigeria, we get brain. No, we say you will not be deceiving us and be doing corner. We know we are talking about. We know who is trending now. We know who is making movies. So just go straight to the point. If you are blasting Tony Abraham, do it directly. Stop cutting corners for us. We have Joseph Jr. Johnson who said, thank God, God no be man. Every movie was a hit, no be you producer, so you can't tell how much was made. Go watch Alakada etc. We have someone again who said that you are not the one that produced the movie, like Joseph Jr. Johnson said that you did not know how much effort was put to make that movie. Yes, we have a lot of times where they say that Bollywood, like someone said, Bollywood and Hollywood movies take 2 years or more before they can be produced, taken to cinemas or something. But they say in Nollywood it takes 1 month or 2 weeks. Do you know how many effort is put in this thing? Do you know maybe the reason why they are producing these movies, even this, is because they have funds, like sufficient funds to produce all these things. We don't know and they don't know. So people are like, all this they like this, they like that. They're like, okay, just go straight. You are blasting to Abraham, and we know. Just go straight to the point. Stop moving corner, stop cornering for us. So just go straight, And when that person said that when Nollywood movie will be taking this thing, so that is, if it's Bollywood movie, it will take a year or 2. But someone replied and said that stop comparing Nollywood to Bollywood. So we have Festus Kim who said, when you be here and Hollywood movie taking 6 months, some even more than a year. The problem is even well-funded Nollywood movies want to just rush things, and that won't just work. So we have movies that are well-funded, but when they come out, it will still be rubbish. When they take months or years to make that movie, when it come out, it will still be rubbish. But there are some movies that will just take a month, 2 weeks, or whatever it is to come out, and then by the time the movie come out, it will beat the ones that they've been producing for years. So we have someone also. We have Juliana Kaji who said, Nigeria and the place where money they quick come out from, them they patronize. Some movies when they take 1 month again. Remember when Wedding Party first hit cinema, it take 1 year before 2 hit again. So we have movies like that. So we have a real blame say, God bless you for this. I hardly go to the cinema to watch Nigerian movies because some of them are below standard. Not all should make it to the big screen. So we have Crystal Angel who says, so true, some movies are just a waste of time. Thinking casting out the world celeb will make people watch it. It's so sad. They now follow it with useless meat and greed. And we have Anika Taylor who said, tag them with your full chest if you have the mind. If you have the face, if you have the mind to say that this is the person I'm talking about, say it. Are you scared? Are you afraid? If you have the mind to say, why are you hiding the identity of the people you are talking about? So if you have the mind, just go straight and say it, that this is the person I'm talking about. And people are now guessing that she's talking about Tony Abraham, as Tony Abraham is the one making waves. My people, this story is not going to end there. There's more to it. You guys should just comment in the comment section. We really want to continue this conversation in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's very important. We love you. Take care of yourself. We love you so much. Stay tuned and stay blessed and continue to watch us. If you are yet to subscribe also a subscriber. We love you. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and stay blessed.
Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this channel.